If you're a homeowner in Austin, you know how important it is to maintain a clean and clutter-free living space. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, preparing for a move, or just need to clear out years of accumulated items, junk removal can be a daunting and time-consuming task. While you may consider handling the job on your own, hiring a professional residential junk removal service offers a range of benefits that make the process more efficient, safe, and stress-free. Here's why it's worth considering. Time-saving convenience. One of the primary advantages of hiring a professional junk removal service is the time it saves. Removing large, bulky items or sorting through piles of clutter can take hours, even days, depending on the scope of the job. Professionals handle the entire process from start to finish, arriving on time, sorting through your belongings, and disposing of them quickly. This frees up your time to focus on more important tasks, whether it's spending time with your family, tackling other home improvement projects, or simply relaxing. Proper disposal and recycling. When it comes to getting rid of junk, many people don't realize the proper ways to dispose of certain items. Many household items, such as electronics, appliances, and furniture, can't simply be thrown in the trash. They may contain hazardous materials or be recyclable, and improperly discarding them can harm the environment. Professional junk removal companies in Austin are well versed in local disposal regulations. They know how to separate recyclable materials and ensure that everything is disposed of responsibly, helping you to be more eco-conscious. Safety and risk reduction. Removing junk, particularly large items like furniture or construction debris, can be physically demanding and even dangerous. You may risk injury from lifting heavy objects, dealing with sharp edges, or hauling items downstairs. Professional junk removal services have the experience, equipment, and trained staff to safely handle these tasks without the risk of harm. They use proper lifting techniques, wear safety gear, and have the right tools to get the job done safely. This reduces the potential for accidents, saving you from the hassle of injuries and medical bills. Efficient and organized removal. Sorting, categorizing, and hauling junk can quickly turn into an overwhelming and chaotic task. It can be hard to know where to begin, and without a clear plan, the process can drag on for longer than necessary. Junk removal professionals are trained to work quickly and efficiently. They come equipped with the right vehicles and tools to haul everything away in a streamlined manner. They also know how to organize the removal process, ensuring that your home remains clean and tidy as they work, leaving you with a clutter-free space. Cost-effective. While it may seem like hiring a professional junk removal service is an added expense, it can actually be cost-effective in the long run. Consider the costs of renting a dumpster, hiring a truck, and potentially taking time off work to handle the job yourself. Plus, if you're not familiar with disposal regulations, you could face fines for improper disposal. Junk removal professionals, on the other hand, come with all the necessary tools and experience, which means you won't have to worry about hidden costs. Their transparent pricing model ensures you know exactly what you're paying for, and their efficiency ultimately saves you money. A clean, clutter-free home. After the junk removal process, you'll be left with a fresh, organized space. This can be especially beneficial if you're preparing to sell your home. A clean, clutter-free environment not only looks more appealing but also provides you with a sense of well-being. It's easier to relax and focus in a tidy space, which can reduce stress and help you live more comfortably. Support local businesses. When you hire a local junk removal service in Austin, you're supporting small businesses in the community. Many of these companies are family-owned or locally operated, and by choosing them, you contribute to the economic growth of the area. It's a great way to support Austin's vibrant local economy while taking care of your home's junk removal needs. Conclusion. Hiring a professional residential junk removal service in Austin offers a host of benefits, from saving time and ensuring safety to reducing stress and promoting eco-friendly disposal practices. Whether you're decluttering your home, clearing out space for a renovation, or simply getting rid of unwanted items, a junk removal service provides the expertise and convenience needed to make the process hassle-free. So, the next time you face the task of junk removal, consider calling in the professionals to handle the heavy lifting and leave you with a clean, organized home.